Negation logical operator. The negation logical operator is represented with the symbol which is called as tilde. Sometimes people call this symbol as tilde. This logical operator can also be represented with the symbol which looks like the corner of a rectangle. Sometimes the simple English word not can also be used to represent the negation logical operator. First, let's look at a few examples to understand how negation logical operator works. Proposition P, it is an apple. Then negation P is, it is not an apple. Proposition Q, it is London. Then negation Q is, it is not London. Proposition R is, he is Joe Biden. Then negation R is, he is not Joe Biden. Now, let us look at the definition of negation logical operator. Let P be a proposition. Then, negation P is the negation of the proposition P, which simply means it is not the case that P. The negation logical operator can also be represented in the form of a table which we call as truth table. P, negation P. If P is true, then negation P is false. If P is false, then negation P is true. The same table can be represented by using the numbers zeros and ones. If P is 1, then negation P is 0. If P is 0, then negation P is 1. From this table, negation P can be defined mathematically as negation P is equal to 1 minus P. This formula can be verified for the values given in the above table. If P is 1, then negation P is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. If P is 0, then negation P is 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. That is why we say negation P can be defined as 1 minus P.